29 forecast.
Well, plenty of fog this morning in North Garden, as captured by Jim Wilson there. Yeah, we did have fog. It took a while for some of that to scour out. Here's the sunrise this morning, captured by Jack Cameron in Waynesboro. A little bit of ground fog there as well. Well, we saw sun to start the day, and then more clouds built in thanks to an easterly wind. We're currently 74 at the airport, touching 78 for an afternoon high today. So we back down from the 80s, but still above average for many. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, mostly cloudy skies, 69 degrees, touching 74 for a high today, and some morning lows that were down in the 40s. 73 currently in Madison. We have 71 there in Louisa, same there in Palmyra, 68 in Waynesboro, and 69 currently in Stanton. Temperatures here tonight, holding on to those mostly cloudy skies, will mean temperatures a little higher than where we've been the last couple of mornings, upper 50s to low 60s. Could still have some patchy fog to start early Friday morning. Now Friday will feature a lot more in the way of clouds, some breaks of sun, but temperatures similar to where they were this afternoon, mid to upper 70s. There may be a late day shower, but not expecting much in terms of rainfall. A cold front approaches tomorrow night into Saturday morning. We'll all feel the effects of the cooler air, but unfortunately, not much rain, pretty paltry it looks like. So temperatures here on Saturday in the mid to upper 60s with a gusty northwesterly wind. We'll have some gusts over 20, and then Sunday only in the upper 50s and low 60s across the region, and these morning lows will be much cooler as well. I should say chilly. So again, more scattered in nature, any rainfall and likely amounts that are less than 1/10 of an inch. So that's not going to help with the ongoing drought conditions. Here's the latest update from the U.S. Drought Monitor, and you can still see moderate drought conditions across a good portion of central Virginia and the valley, with some areas still dealing with severe drought conditions. So we may have to wait until winter with alleviation of some of this with moisture coming in from winter storms. We'll see how this plays out. High pressure is pushing eastbound. This is the rain in association with one cold front. The cooler air lags behind. Too bad we can't just displace this over here, but it doesn't work that way. A lot of this moisture will peel off to the north and east, and the dynamics will change as the front approaches us. So not much rain, but the cooler air will be felt. You can see the temperatures this afternoon back across the upper Midwest are in the 50s and 60s, and that's kind of the flavor of what we'll be dealing with as we move into the weekend. So this trough or dip in the jet stream will take up residence as we move into the weekend and first part of next week. That'll keep temperatures below average, so we'll go from the October warmth to the October chill. And then real quickly, this is Tropical Storm Philippe. Philippe is moving off to the north, and it's just under 400 miles now to the south of the island of Bermuda. It is expected to impact the island. A tropical storm warning is there, but the configuration of the jet stream and this front that's coming through this weekend will slingshot this back up into Maine, Atlantic Canada, and eastern Canada. So this was an area that was hit by Ophelia just a couple weeks ago. Temperatures in the morning start in the 50s and low 60s. A lot of clouds around. I think there'll be some breaks. Temperatures here tomorrow afternoon in the mid to upper 70s should be good for those high school football games. As we go into tomorrow night late and Saturday morning, a few showers. Maybe not everyone sees the rain, and then we'll start to clear out Saturday. It'll be gusty winds out of the northwest, some gusts over 20. Daytime highs will hold in the 60s, and it'll get really chilly as we head into those overnight lows. Temperatures here tonight, mid-50s to low 60s, mostly cloudy skies, some areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast with those temperatures backing down now. Sharply cooler here for the weekend as advertised, and it'll feel certainly more like October. We'll hold on to at least below average temperatures through the middle of next week. I think our coldest morning will be early Monday morning across the region. It's not out of the question that areas out to the west could certainly have some frost, which is not unusual for this time of year, and it's only a matter of time over the next several weeks that we'll likely see more.
Hard to believe it's that time of year again. Thank you so much.